everyone. Welcome back to Deep Sleep English, the podcast where you learn English naturally while listening to real conversation. Hey, Alex. How are you today?
Hey, Mia. I'm good. A little tired, but good. How about you?
I'm okay. I woke up early today. Too early.
Oh, no. I hate waking up early. Did you drink coffee yet?
Yes, one big cup. I need it to survive.
Same here. Coffee is my best friend in the morning.
Yeah. So today I was thinking about something.
Oh? What were you thinking about?
I was thinking about how people really speak English every day.
Ah, yeah. Not the textbook English.
Exactly. The real English. The English we use with friends, at home, at work, at the store.
That's a great topic because real English is simple, but books make it feel hard.
Yes. When I was learning another language, I felt the same way.
Really?
Yeah, I studied French in school, but when I went to France, people spoke so fast.
Oh, no.
I knew grammar, I knew big words, but I didn't know the simple daily phrases.
That happens to a lot of people. So today, we're talking about daily English phrases.
Yes, simple phrases, real conversations, the kind you hear every day.
Perfect for beginners. Starting with greetings.
Let's start very simple. The first phrase everyone learns.
How are you?
Yes, how are you?
People think it's a big question, but it's not.
Right. Most of the time, it just means hello.
Exactly.
So if I say, how are you, what do you usually say?
I usually say, I'm good, or I'm fine,
Me too. Sometimes I say, I'm okay.
or pretty good.
Yeah. And then we often ask back,
Right, like this.
how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Smiles.
See? Very simple.
And very natural.
Small talk. What are you doing?
Another phrase we use a lot is, what are you doing? Yes, we say it all the time.
But we're not asking for a long answer,
Exactly. We just want to connect.
like texting a friend.
Right. For example,
What are you doing?
I'm just watching TV. Nothing special.
Same here. I'm relaxing.
That's it. Very easy.
And sometimes the answer is funny.
True.
Like, what are you doing? Nothing.
Everyone says that. Let's talk about a very useful phrase.
Can you help me?
Yes, this phrase is powerful.
Because you can use it anywhere.
At a store, at work, at school.
And it's polite.
Let's do a small example.
Okay.
I'm looking for the bathroom.
Oh, it's over there.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
That's a real conversation.
Yes, very real. This one is very important for beginners.
Yes, I don't understand.
People feel shy saying it.
But they shouldn't. Everyone says it, even native speakers.
I say it all the time.
Me too. Like at work, someone explains something.
And you're like, confused. Sorry, I don't understand.
And that's okay.
Let's do an example.
Okay.
The meeting starts at 2:45, then we review the report, then we call the client.
Sorry? I don't understand.
Oh, no problem. The meeting starts at 3.
Oh, okay. Now I understand.
See? Easy.
Another great phrase is, can you repeat that?
Yes, because people speak fast,
Very fast.
especially native speakers.
So it's okay to ask.
Let's show them.
Sure.
We're meeting at 7 near the old coffee shop downtown.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Sure, we're meeting at 7 near the coffee shop.
Perfect. Thank you.
No problem.
I love this phrase.
Me too.
That's okay.
We use it when someone says sorry.
Or when something small goes wrong.
Example?
Sure.
Sorry I'm late.
That's okay. Smiles. No worries.
It sounds kind.
Yes, very friendly.
Here's another phrase beginners like.
I think so. It means yes, maybe.
Not 100% sure.
Example?
Is this the right bus?
I think so.
Okay, let's get on. Simple.
Do you remember a time when you used simple English in a funny way?
Oh yes. One time a tourist asked me, "Where is the food?" Not restaurant, not cafe, just food.
And did you understand?
Yes, because simple English works.
That's a great lesson.
You don't need perfect English.
You need clear English. When people learn English, they often learn single words first.
Like eat, go, happy.
That's okay, but phrases are better.
Yes, because people don't speak in single words.
We speak in phrases.
For example, you don't just say help.
You say, "Can you help me?"
Exactly.
That's why this 500 phrases idea is so useful. Let's imagine a store.
Okay.
You walk in.
Someone says, "Can I help you?"
You say, "Yes, I'm looking for this."
How much is it?
Thank you.
That's okay.
These are all phrases.
And you only need a few to survive. So today, we talked about daily English phrases,
Very simple phrases.
but very powerful phrases.
These phrases help you live in English,
Talk to people,
make friends,
ask for help.
and feel confident.
Remember, real English is not fancy.
It's human,
It's normal.
and it's okay to make mistakes.
We all do.
Thanks for talking with me today, Alex.
Thank you, Mia. I had fun.
Me too. See you next time.
See you later.
Bye.
When people learn English, they often learn single words first.
Like eat, go, happy. That's okay, but phrases are better.
Yes, because people don't speak in single words.
We speak in phrases.
For example, you don't just say help.
You say, "Can you help me?"
Exactly.
That's why this 500 phrases idea is so useful.